Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off friend request notifications. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also subscribing to this channel. Now to get started, go over to this icon displaying your photo and then tap on it to open the menu. Under menu, you'll see this gear button. This is for settings. Go ahead and tap on it. And from this, go ahead and look for the section called Preferences. Under Preferences, select Notifications. And under this, look for Friend Requests. As you can see, we have Friend Requests here. Go ahead and tap on it. Now you can see that here, the reason why you always receive Friend Request notifications is because the push, email, and SMS notifications have been turned on. To turn them off, go ahead and toggle off any of these that you wish not to receive. For instance, if you don't want to receive the push notification that normally pops up on your Facebook page, then go ahead and turn off this. If you want to receive it via SMS or email, you can go ahead and leave them on. Otherwise, if you still don't want to receive them via email and SMS, go ahead and also toggle this off. Now from here henceforth, whenever someone sends you a friend request, you will not be notified unless you go ahead and check under friend request. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.